Welcome to Medax OSCE Academy, where international nurses begin their journey to UK registration and beyond.
At Medax OSCE Academy, we are here to help you turn that dream into reality. Our mission is simple: to empower international nurses to achieve UK and OSCE registration and thrive in their nursing careers. And we are proud to say we are making it happen.
With a success rate of over 90%, we've already guided hundreds of nurses through the OSCE exam and beyond.
At Medax OSCE, we know OSCE preparation is not just about passing the exam. It's about building confidence, skills, and a clear path forward. Our hybrid course fits candidate lifestyle, offering unlimited online preparation classes, followed by 5 days of intensive hands-on training at our fully equipped clinical skills lab led by passionate OSCE trainers.
No matter where you are in the UK, we are here to support you. Our training is accessible for nurses from every corner of the country, but we don't stop there.
For UK registered nurses ready to explore new horizons, we also offer a direct pathway to Australia through our trusted recruitment partnerships. That means a job as a nurse in Australia with permanent residency options. No unnecessary hurdles, just real opportunities.
I know how overwhelming it can be for preparing your OSCE. I worked with so many amazing nurses who have failed the same. That is why at Medax, we don't just really teach you, but we support you like a teammate. We go through everything together step by step, from understanding the stations and practicing the real life scenarios as the way actually make it sense.
Whether your goal is UK registration or a new life down under, we're with you every step of your way. We also partner with private healthcare providers to connect you with real job prospects and career growth.
At Medax OSCE Academy, your success is our mission. We believe in your potential and we are ready to help you achieve more.
So, are you ready to take the next step? Get in touch with us today. Let's build your future together.